Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Halakul and today we are solving LeetCode problem number 1952. 3 divisor. They are given a problem statement, given an integer and return true if n has exactly 3 positive divisors, otherwise return false. An integer m is a divisor of n if there exists an integer k such that k into m. Our task is to check whether the number has exactly 3 positive divisor or not. Example number 1, input equals to 2. Input divisible by 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Only 2 divisors. That is false. Example number 2, input n equals to 4. 4. Explanation: 4 has 3 divisor. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. There is 3 divisors. That is true. I have 3 divisors. That is true. Divisors and 1 1 all divisors, all numbers are divisors in 1. 3 divisors are only true. 4 true contains 1 greater than n greater than 2 power 4. Let's go to LeetCode number 100 1952. Let's code explanation. Integer count equals to 0. This variable store divisor count. Let's using a for loop. Integer I equals to 1. Then I greater than or equals to n. I increment. Check every number from 1 to n. And if n percentage I equals to 0, count plus increment. If condition number divides completely and increment count, final return count equals to 3. Let's run this code, wait for test result, accept that this code and submit this question. So thank you for this watching video.